Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Hyundai and you need to find where the fuel tank pressure sensor is located, how to remove it, how to replace it. All that will be covered in this video today, and a few common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, let's explain where that fuel tank pressure sensor is located and how to get to it. Specifically, we're demonstrating on a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. So for any of you guys having that generation from 2009 to 2015 will be absolutely the same. If you have a newer one, the location may be very similar as well, and the procedure may apply as well. So we need to open the rear door of that Hyundai Sonata. Now, disclaimer, it's nasty, it's really dirty. This is a parts car that we got from Copart. First thing that you need to do, make sure you disconnect the car battery. Why? Because you'll be dealing with the fuel tank, fuel vapors, and if you have spark, you can catch on fire easily. Number 2, work on a cold car. Make sure the exhaust is completely cold, let it sit overnight. Number 3, make sure you have fire extinguisher. And on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical system, the computer modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. So, battery is disconnected, car is completely cold, and if you come right here, check it out, you need to fold the rear seat, and behind the rear seat, guys, right here, if you look at it, that's the carpet right here, and if you need to remove or replace the fuel tank pressure sensor, guys, you need to open that cap. It has only 4 screws that you need to remove, and once you do that, guys, you come to right here. That's where the fuel pump is located. That's the evap fumes, hose. That's the fuel line that delivers fuel to the direct fuel injection in the front. That's the wiring harness for the fuel pump and the level unit. And if you look at this one right here, that's the fuel tank pressure sensor right here, guys, that device. So in order to, guys, remove that, what you need to do, again, have fire extinguisher on the side. You press down here, and you disconnect the cable. If that cable is stuck, press down on this thing, or just push in first, press down, and then pull it out, because sometimes the tube may be stuck, so you need to push in first, then press down, and then pull it out. Now that sensor attaches only with 2 clips that you need to spread towards the outside, and once you do that, the sensor will come out. Check it out. Make sure you don't break them, because you need to replace the fuel pump if that's the case. And that's the fuel tank pressure sensor right here. That's how you guys, remove it and practically replacement. Everything is in reverse order. We took it apart. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can get one from for a really good price and quick shipping. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.